Story time. Nung Sunday, we went to this restaurant for dessert. So we had 3 slices of cake. I won't name the restaurant, but you can probably tell if I tell you the name of this. We had, ito yung resibo. We had tartufo, choco cake, and mango cake. So those are the 3 cakes that we had. So, ayun na, dumating na yung orders. And then, in the middle of enjoying the cakes, may naamoy ako. Sabi ko, amoy panis or whatever. So, ayun, parang nagtingin-tingin ako sa paligid. Sabi ko, ano yun? Baka may in-order yung next table na something na gano'n ang amoy. Ganyan-ganyan. Pero kakaiba talaga yung amoy niya. Amoy panis. Ganun yung pagkaasim niya. So, hindi ako mapakali. So, sabi nila ng asawa ko, well, we are beside the kitchen. So, maybe isang ingredient doon, yun yung naamoy mo. So, okay na, no? Tapos maya-maya sabi nung bunso ko, sabi niya, Mama, try this. It's really dark chocolate. And we all know, di ba, pag dark chocolate, medyo may asim eh. Oh my gosh. Yun yung naamoy ko. So, my husband called the server because I explained kung ano yung issue. Sabi ko, something's off. Sabi ko, maasim yung amoy niya na parang panis. So, she didn't smell it, but she took the plate to the kitchen. Tapos, the manager went to our table. Tapos, nag-apologize siya. Sabi niya, panis nga po. Now, it's not the cake itself, yung panis, pero may nakasulat kasi dun sa side nung, maybe I can post in another video kung I don't know if I can post it here yung nakasulat dun sa yung picture ng plate. Nakalagay grazie. So, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but anyway, thank you in Italian. So, yun yung tinikman, yun yung kinain ng anak ko. Tapos nung tinry ko kasi after niya sabihin, yun nga yung panis. So nag-apologize nga si manager and ganyan-ganyan. Sabi niya, gusto niyo po ba i-serve ulit namin? Do you want us to serve a new slice of cake? Ganyan-ganyan. Tapos tinanong ko yung anak ko, sabi ko, gusto mo pa ba? Ganyan-ganyan. Na-disappoint na siya, clearly. Sabi niya, ayaw na niya. So we decided na hindi na lang. Tapos sabi namin, bill out na lang. Tapos sabi nung manager, don't worry po, if ever you need medical assistance, siguro kung magpa-doctor man kami or whatever, sabi niya, I'm gonna leave you my contact details to you. So, ayun na nga, sabi namin, sige, bill out na, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, waited mga 10-15 minutes. Hindi naman bumalik si manager. So, tinawag na lang ng asawa ko yung server ulit na to remind na bill out na, ganyan-ganyan. So, they didn't bill us for the cake na chenes. Sana, these businesses be mindful. I suggest handle this better. And it's not the first time that I have been inconvenienced, but other businesses, I'm gonna name it, Cafe France of Lasal Dasma, shout out to you. One time, I forgot already kung anong inconvenience yun, pero they gave us a lot of breads. So, I am not saying this to get freebies, okay? I'm saying this to save your business. See, I didn't complain about whatever inconvenience I had with Cafe France because they gave us something. And it wasn't panis food or whatever, Cafe France, but still, they gave us something, a token of appreciation for us not filing a complaint or whatever, like Consuelo de Bobo nga, as I've mentioned. So,